Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 3 of Teaching the Scriptures. I'm going to go over the assignments. So here we are on Blackboard, week 3, and it's rather simple. You have your regular reading from the textbooks. Chapter 3 in Allison, it's important to read Chapter 3 because for your discussion boards, you're going to be talking about authority, and that's what that chapter is about. So make sure you read Allison, and then in the Richards Breadfelt book, Chapter 9, you're going to cover the hook, book, look, took approach, which is really the model upon which everything is built. So two very important chapters. There's additional reading. One is right here in the resource folder. The other is online. Actually, a very short article to glance over. So that's your additional reading. And then there are some videos to watch. So actually, the first video is 14 minutes, but you only need to watch 6 minutes and 22 seconds. And the second one is only 2 minutes. So not a whole lot this week. Then your discussion board is about authority as a speaker. So what we want you to do is read the Allison chapter and then think back and describe a memorable example of a speaker or a teacher or a preacher who either succeeded or did not succeed in having authority while they taught. Identify factors that contributed to their success or failure, and be sure to specify whether they were following Allison's method or not. Finally, explain what you can learn about having authority while teaching from this teaching case or this teacher's case. Once you've completed your first post by Friday, interact with at least 2 other student posts. Okay, so that is the discussion board for this week. And then your learner characteristics worksheet is due now. Make sure you submit that this week. And then the major assignment for this week is the hook and book paper. Here are examples and outlines that you can follow. I have a separate video, which I've encouraged you to already preview. It's called the lesson plan video. It's about a half hour. And for the first 21 minutes, I talk about everything you need to know to start to fill out your outline and do a lesson plan. It gets into the hook, book, look, and took, but it's for this paper, you're only doing the hook and the book. You are doing both an outline, and it's not just the hook in the book. There's a lot. So take a look at the template, follow the video, but you're doing an outline and an actual manuscript for this assignment. So read this over. If you watch the video and follow it, you should do fine.